Hello, and welcome back. In this second chapter of our program, we're going to show you some of the techniques used to measure the performance of FR clothing. We're going to start with the most fundamental test in determining whether a garment is flame resistant. It is called the vertical flame test. The test method for vertical flame was developed by ASTM and is called ASTM D6413. Let's look at how this test is conducted. The strip of the fabric being tested is placed in the chamber here. Then it is exposed to a flame for 12 seconds. After 12 seconds, the flame is shut off. Two things are measured. The after flame, which is how long the fabric swatch continues to burn after the flame is shut off. And the char length, which is the length of the break in the fabric due to charring. It's measured like this. The char length here is about 3.5 inches. Various standards will outline the maximum acceptable char length, and vertical flame is a critical test to establish whether a fabric will self-extinguish. But it is not a predictor of protection level on everything, like an arc rating, for example, which we will talk about more in the next chapter of our program. Let's look at this test being conducted. In this test, a strip of navy blue FR fabric is hanging in the center of the chamber, ready to be tested. The test device is turned on and the flame begins to burn at the bottom of the strip. The timer on the left is counting down from 12 seconds. After 12 seconds of exposure, the flame stops and the time of any after flame is measured. The fabric strip will then be removed from the device so the char length can be measured like I showed you a moment ago. Now that we know how the vertical flame test works, let's look at where it is referenced in some key standards. The first standard we'll talk about is ASTM F1506. The actual title is a mouthful.